Yo, happy Tuesday. I want to start out today by saying first and foremost, I miss you guys, because if you're at the gym right now, well, that's not fair, I might be here, but without a class, it's just kind of weird, right? So you guys might be checking out this video for the first time. If you are, thanks for checking in, thanks for watching, and feel free to leave comments, whether it's in my email or comments on this video. Especially on days like Tuesdays and Thursdays, I want to make sure you guys feel comfortable, feel safe, and have a great understanding of what the workout is supposed to be. So with that said, let's talk about today's workout. Today's workout, like most days, is going to begin with 3 to 5 minutes of monostructural movement. We just want to warm the body up. This could be running, rowing, assault bike, burpees with no push-up, alternating step-ups, air squats, bear crawl, or it can be a variation of those. Just keep yourself busy for like 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, we want to go ahead and grab a foam roller and do some rolling out, massage on the muscles, or some active stretching. So like world's greatest stretch, walking lunges, dynamic range of motion that we normally do before class at times. We want to avoid static stretching, but really invest in moving, getting ourselves prepped and prepared to go. After we're warmed up today, we need a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells. We're going to be working through 5 sets with 3 minutes of rest in between. The goal is to work for 3 minutes, rest for 3 minutes. So if we can't get the work done, we want to modify and scale that. Okay? Today's going to be pretty challenging, so be ready to check your ego and let's listen in for how to modify to make sure we can do it properly. In that 5 rounds of the 3 minutes of work that we're going to be aiming for, we're going to complete 10 burpees, so flat to the ground, chest to deck, back up. Or we can come down. If we need to crawl up, that's also okay. After those 10 burpees, we're going to move to 10 dual bent over rows. This could be kettlebell or dumbbell. We want to make sure our hips are reached out long, our arms are straight. We're going to pull our elbows high. 2, 3, profile view here from the side. Making sure that we're not up here and also that we're not rounded, okay? Really long spine, deep, bent over, pull the elbows high. After the bent over rows, we're gonna go 10 dumbbell push press. Touch the shoulders. We're gonna use the legs to push up. Make sure on that dip you keep your heels down. We wanna push through the entire foot, helping us use our butt to shoot the weight up. After the 10 push press, we're gonna do 10 alternating step ups, holding onto our dumbbells. So that's 1. Switch feet. 2, back down. 3. After the 10 alternating step-ups, 10 more burpees. Ways we can modify this workout to ensure we're keeping the work to 3 minutes or less. One option is choose a pair of dumbbells that's going to make sure that you can complete this in the given time. So it could be anything from 5-pound dumbbells up to as heavy as 50-pound dumbbells. We want to make sure that all the movements remain unbroken with little to no rest in between the movements. If that's still too challenging, or you feel like 10 burpees in 30 seconds is going to crush you, it's not realistic, what we can do is basically scale all the reps down. I would encourage you to do so with an even number so that the movements, like the step-ups, can remain even on each side. So if 10 is too many, try 8 all the way down, or even 6 all the way down. 5 sets, we're looking to work and rest an equal amount of time, which is hopefully about 3 minutes. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Have a kick-ass workout. Way to get after it. Hopefully I will see you soon. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay human.